Hello, I am listening to my Instagram, actually gonna make a YouTube video I said I would make. Roki, hi! Anyways, what did I get? A lot of shit I don't actually need, but I've been wanting to try for a while, so let's take a look. I got this Too Faced Mr. Cover-Up. The only thing I really used cover-up since quarantine started, concealer for it's like under my eyes if I'm giving a Zoom call. And then I got the Mr. Perfect foundation brush. He'll make you look and feel perfect. The man of my dreams. Please don't tell my boyfriend. Okay, so another thing I got was this Born This Way Turn Up the Light. Pretty stoked for this one. I love contouring and I love highlights. And another thing I got, Plump and Prime. Is this gonna focus? There we go. Are you done? This actually helps a lot, I guess, with fine lines and wrinkles. As you can't tell, I have some acne scars from after going on Accutane. I hope this will help a little bit. And then last but not least, I got the Born This Way complexion powder. And I chose the almond color. I normally get, can you stop? Roki! I had to kick him out. It's driving me nuts. So I got NC40 for MAC, and I want to give this a shot this time. I've used the liquid foundation several times and I loved it, so I'm super excited to see how well this is. Of course, I like to start off with the clean face. I always use this Dermatologica. I think I said that right. The girl doesn't want to get any, you know, bad shit happening to my face. So this is a tip Jonathan Vaness taught me from Queer Eye for the Straight Guy. You don't rub your hands together because the product is all over your hand. Instead, you put little dots all over your face. Oh yeah, and then you rub it in. So that way, you don't have any wasted product. Thank you, Jonathan. I love you so much. Now, we're gonna put on the Plump and the Prime. So when I first saw this, I was like, why do I need to plump my face? Won't that make me look not so cute? This. Ooh. If I look over here, it's because I have my broke ass mirror. Out of all the shit I bought yesterday, didn't buy myself a new mirror. I'm gonna do what Jonathan's suggestion again. Boop, 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 boop. Mmm. Oh, it smells nice. I hate when product has an overbearing, like, perfume smell. And a lot of this stuff, I think, smells so awful. Okay, so the next one, oh my God, pretty. Oh my God. Oh, hello, sweetheart. Does anybody ever actually like use these little pads that come with them? Because I don't. We're gonna use Mr. Right or Mr. Perfect. They actually have little bow ties on them. Look at that. Oh, reviews for this were astounding. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this the right way. I really like too, it has like embossed Born This Way. Oh my. Look how nice that's going on. So to compare, I have been using just a basic Morphe, is it Morphe or Morphe? I'm gonna say Morphe. Morphe brush, and it is officially replaced. Wow, I like this a lot. I don't know if it's the foundation or the actual brush as to why I like this. This look, I guess. I'll have to try this with, I have a little bit left in my MAC. Oh yes. Oh, and the bristles on this are so fucking. This feels so nice, I just don't want to stop. But this is how I talk to myself all day long. This is, I don't know what color it is. It's the lightest one. Boop, boop, boop. And then again, this is the Mr. Cover-Up. Ooh, they're just so cute. A little bit lighter than, say, Tiffany Blue. Love it. Okay. Probably not gonna put this much under my eyes. Okay, got my eyebrows did. I'll make another video for that. And then my eyelashes. Oh, love them. The next part is Born This Way, turn up the light. I really like the packaging, rose gold, shiny, low, soft focus, and one of my favorite words, dazzle. Ah, I'm just gonna dazzle my way through life. Oh my God, I don't know what goes to what. Is this what everybody thinks of? I remember when I first started doing makeup, it was, oh my gosh, high school, let's not go there, like the early 2000s. And then college, let's not go there either. I hope the swoop bang never comes back. No. Here's what I Googled. Turn up the light, Too Faced, where to put what? Very technically sound. Okay. Ugh. I'm tired of these political ads. I'm just listening and applying. I'll link this video that I'm watching. She says to use the glow, like right here. I guess you're getting a mini contour lesson right now. Right through here, okay. So my goal is to somewhat look like a glazed donut. Ooh, ooh, hello. Okay. Okay, so apparently, here we go. The dazzle is supposed to be that little extra, like, oh cute, look at my nose, it's a little button. Perfect. And I'm just using a fan brush. I think I got this in one of the Morphe packs. I don't know which one it was, but it's cute and it's rose gold. I'm gonna try this soft focus. I actually like to use my fingers more than anything, and I'm just gonna, I don't have any eyeshadow on at the moment. So I'm just gonna put this right above, just right under like the arc of my eyebrows. So in this video, the gal was saying dazzle's really hard to get off, or actually get it onto your brush, which is why I used that fan one and my finger. All I gotta do is do my bronzer and my look is good. So I'll be right back. All right. Here's my finished look. Love these products. I'll probably wait a little bit to see what my final review is. Give it about a week or so because let's be honest, it might actually suck. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have used Too Faced or any of these products, let me know. I wanna know your opinion. See you guys later. Bye.